myself at a loss for words. And the funny thing is, it's okay. The last thing I need is to be heard. Word of God speak, pour down like rain, washing my eyes to see your majesty. To be still and know that you're in this place. Please let me stay and rest in your holiness. Word of God speak.
Let's resume. Let's dive again into this exciting and wonderful series. I don't know about you, but I am excited to study this very important topic in the Christian life. As I said last first Sunday, many are not familiar with this. Di sila familiar dito. They are ignorant of this. And they don't experience this. I'll repeat what I said last first Sunday. Ang salita ni Lord, ang pangako ni Lord, sa John 10:27, I want everyone to listen. The Lord said, my sheep, hear my voice. So maliwanag po doon. This is the argument, this is the thesis of my series. Kung ikaw ay tunay na sheep, believer, anak ni Lord, dapat naririnig mo, you are hearing the voice of the Lord, of our great shepherd. If you don't, you better examine yourself. And you better watch this video